Alright guys, and you welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, in this video we are looking into something new, and in this video we'll be showing ourselves how to create an NFT art, an NFT graphic art. So over here guys, I'm on a website called rarible.com, and on this website I'll be showing you on how you can create your own NFT. So guys, all you have to do is for you to stay to the end, watch this video to the end to be able to understand. Guys, and you welcome back to this YouTube channel once again. Guys, I'm on the website called rarible.com. On this website, for you to be able to get started, there is something that you have to understand, and it's something that you have to know. First and foremost, you have to know that creating an NFT art, you will be able to sell it on this rarible.com, or you can also sell it on your Binance. So for you to get started with this Rarible platform, you have to first of all have Ethereum website that is allowed in this Rarible website. So let us try doing that right now. Just click on this Ethereum. You can use any of these three that you have, but as for me, I'll be going for this Ethereum, so I'll be clicking on the sign in. So I'm gonna sign in with my MetaMask. You can use any of these options below here to sign in your Rarible, but as for me, I'll be using this MetaMask as this is the most secured one. So I'll click on the sign in with MetaMask. If you are doing this on your mobile phone, maybe on your Android device or on your iPhone device, make sure you go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to install the MetaMask. Let it be on your phone before you say you want to start your Rarible something. And if you are using a Chrome browser like this, maybe on your PC, make sure you install the extension. You can see over here, this is the extension of the MetaMask. Make sure you install the extension first, or else you will not be able to use the MetaMask. So let us wait for it as a signing. So when you click on the sign in, you can see a pop-up like this. You see this is the sign of the MetaMask notifications. So over here you'll be able to create your MetaMask wallet, and then you'll be able to redeem it, or should I say connect it to. So after that, you get a message like this in another tab. I mean the MetaMask gonna open another tab. Then you click on just click on the get started. So if you already have an account, you can import your wallet, or you can create a new wallet. So as for me, I will be importing my wallet. So let me click on import wallet. So I'm gonna enter my secret phrase. So I'm gonna fast forward this now. I'm gonna fast it this. So I inputted my key phrase and my password to import. So the MetaMask details is importing. We have to do this to be able to get access to the marketplace of the Raribles, so we can continue what we want to do about the NFT. Okay, so up to that, you can see all is done. Just click on all done. Then okay, so here is the MetaMask dashboard after everything has been imported successfully. So now let us try connecting this with our Rarible now. So after that, we've just set up our MetaMask. So come back to your Rarible and click on the sign in button at the corner over there. Then click on the sign in with MetaMask. So after this, we're gonna live on the Rarible marketplace to create an NFT. So after now, click on the next. Then you click on connect. So then I think we should be live in our Rarible.com marketplace to start our NFT. So now it's connecting. The main reason why I show everything about the MetaMask was that the MetaMask is very difficult. Before I get it, it took me I think 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour for me to be able to get how to connect the MetaMask to the Rarible. So I just show you guys that you will not have the same issue like I did. So after everything is connected, we will be live on our Rarible website in just a second. So here we are guys. Now we're live on our Rarible website, and we are ready here. As you can see, it's all over here now. You can see the Ethereum space. It says sign in over here, and so we're gonna click on create to start creating our NFT. Guys, what I want you to know is that creating an NFT is very simple. This on this method, I'm gonna create a single NFT token for you guys. I mean, single NFT art for you guys. Creating an NFT is very simple. You could turn yourself into an NFT character, or you can turn any image, maybe the image that you've saved for the past few years, for the past 30 years, on your PC or on your phone. You can just simply convert them to NFT character in just a click. So all you just have to do is that if you're gonna choose if you are creating a single or multiple NFT art design. And so after you created the NFT, you can sell it on this website or you sell it on your Binance. I'll be showing you how you can sell your NFT on Binance in my upcoming video. So over here now, guys, just let us try clicking on the single. So we'll click on the single. We're gonna create the single NFT and show you guys. So for the image that I'm gonna be using, I will try using the Canva over here, because I use Canva to create so much all of my thumbnails. So I'll be using the Canva to be able to create my NFT. So over here I'm gonna go to the elements and search for something like a working man, and I'm gonna search it right here. Okay, you can see create NFT variable. So let me search for my image to use over here. Okay, I'm gonna be using this bone to create my own NFT. And then on Rarible, you can create a sort of NFT. Like you can create an NFT with the a JPEG image, or PNG, or a GIF file. So any of this is very good, and this Canva can also provide you any of these three that I just mentioned. And if you have a picture that is not in any of the file that I said, maybe the picture is not in PNG, in JPEG, or in GIF, you can simply go to Google and search for some converter websites, and then you can use it to convert your picture to the acceptable one. So let us click on this button. You can see this one is still loading, so that's the reason why I just use that time to come over to Canva. So I click on the bone, and say, so here we are now. I just added this as well, and here is the bone as well. That you can change the background color of this picture if you wish. Just click on the white surface, then click on this color over here. As you can see the color right here, then click on this color. So after you click on the color, then choose your preferred color for the background. So I click it and just change the background. Just pick any color, you know, this is just a practice. You can just I'm gonna pick any color. I'm not going to be selective. So just come over here, click on the download button, and once you are able to download this file will download in form of PNG, but you can save it as JPEG and as GIF. That's the reason why I love using Canva, because Canva carries it all, and Canva has a free and paid version as well. So I'm gonna wait for it to load and be able to download. So as you can see over here, it's the PNG suggested, and if you click on this drop down arrow, clicking on this drop down arrow, you're gonna see the other file. Like you see, it is the JPEG, the PDF standard, GIF, MP4 videos, and other stuff like that. But let us be going for the PNG, you know. So and after that, you just gonna click on your download button below there. So after that, and click on this download button, and then it will be downloaded in just a few seconds. Back into our Rarible to complete the creation of our NFT. Once we've choose the image that we want to use, as you can see that the picture is being downloaded over here. So over here now we are on the Rarible side again. So now to create the NFT, you can see it says upload the file, a PNG, GIF, WEBP, MP4 or MP3. Maximum is 100 MB to for you to be able to upload. So once our pictures is downloaded completely over here, we just upload it over here, and then we'll be able to set our prices and everything. So but for that, till then we're waiting for this picture to be able to download it on the Canva that we just created. So we're waiting. Okay, now so the thing is downloaded. It's over here on title design. So let us just come over here to upload it into our Rarible website. Okay, so it's here. Let's just see if you can just drag and drop it. Okay, just move it all over there. So once we've moved the file over here, then we can continue creating our NFT. So you can choose maybe your NFT, you know, your NFT is going to be live on the Rarible marketplace, and if you are creating on the Binance as well, it's gonna be live on the Binance marketplace. So once we've dropped that, so just you can go for the fixed price, and you can open a bid, that is if you want people to discuss about the price. So just scroll down, then after that let us use the Rarible. You can use for your own collections, you can create new collections for your own, and you can create the Rarible collection. But as for me, I'll be going for the Rarible because this is just a example, you know. So after that, you just name your NFT. So the name of the given this NFT, I'll be writing Sweet Bone for my NFT. So the name of this NFT art will be called Sweet Bone, which will be live on the marketplace, you know. So and then description, which is optional. You can just type, okay, there's more to give. Okay, buy one gets two free. Just catching content that will make the buyer come over to you. And about these royalties means that whenever your NFT is purchased on the marketplace, you're gonna be given royalty. The royalty percent is started from 0, 10, 20, 30 to 50%, but I'll be going for 10% because that is the best price for you to go for. So after that, let's just click on the create item. So once you've clicked on this create item, then this is gonna pop up some stuff for you. And oh sorry, got an error. Let us try fix it above. Okay, sorry, forget to put a price. So about the price, let's just write 0.03 Ethereum ETH. So the service of 2.5% will be charged by Rarible, and I will receive the 0.029. So just scroll down, then click on your create item. So now it's loading, and once your collections are loading, then you will be able to get your NFT live on the Rarible marketplace. And once the buyer come over and purchase your NFT, then you will be able to do what? To start selling your NFT right away, you know. And there's one issue that this Rarible, sometimes they charge payments for live in your NFT, for creating your NFT. They charge some payment for that, and then some of the time they did not charge payment for that. So let us see which one they're gonna say. But in a nutshell, that's how you can just create your NFT and to be able to generate your NFT and publish it on Rarible. And as well, you can create this and publish it on your Binance account as well and generate much income for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. In my next video, we'll be looking how you can create an NFT with on Binance and live it on the Binance marketplace and get yourself some cash, some BNB coin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with any of your friends who might be in need of help. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and I wish you a happy new year in advance.